everybody, and thanks for stopping by to my Christmas DIY series. And today I have a quick and easy tutorial for you guys. We will be creating some gift tags, okay? So let's hop right on in. We're not going to do too much talking. Okay, first thing first, these 3 shapes here, I cut these out with my Cricut machine, and I allowed my Cricut machine to actually write on them. So that's these 3. And I have a solid cardstock that I turned into an ornament. And I also had cut this out with my Cricut machine as well. But it's going to be really quick and easy, I promise. Now, I just have a different variation of things in front of me, like stickers. I have cardstock. I have some fox faux leather here. And I have some adhesive sticker paper that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Okay? So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out around this sticker that I created here. Okay, so I'm just going to take that off and I'm going to apply this to the back of that cardstock. And then I'm just going to trace around it. I'm just going to give you all a few different options that you can choose from. Even with like extra cardstock that you may have laying around. And easy. And this is the back. How cute is that? Okay. Now the next cardstock that I have is this gold cardstock. And I was going to apply this to my star. It's going to apply this to the back of the star. So like a gold star for the tree. I'm going to go ahead and cut those out. So I don't have a hole for this one, but I could just use like a pen or maybe like the edge of this, like cut through it. Yeah, we'll find a way. So that's that one. So this is the second one. Now for my ornament, I decided to use this sticker that I had created. Just going to peel off the backing here. I'm going to apply that to the center of the ornament. And this is the third tag. Quick and easy. Okay, so the next one we have is, I'm going to do the fox faux leather. Now I'm going to choose either one of these to trace out. Okay, I'll use this one. I kind of like the shape. So I'll use this one. And I'm just going to cut around this. Here's this one. And for the back of here, I didn't want that to be plain. Of course not. We have to be extra. So I'm going to go ahead and take this adhesive paper that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to apply this to the back. Nice. I like the way this one turned out. So this will be our 4th one. I'm just going to place this on the back of this one. Okay, so this one is now on the back. And for this one, all I did was I used my pen and I continuously went around the circle just to break in that cardstock until it became really thin, and then I was able to peel it out. And then I put one of these pieces on there, which is really cute. I believe it gives it like a very professional, clean look. It comes in 4 different colors. I forgot the name of it, but I purchased it from Amazon. This is the tool that you would need as well. That came with the kit. So I will go on my Amazon account and I will look and see what's the name of it, okay? And you will also need a backing. Very, very thin. Okay, so this one is already on. And now for this one, I'm going to use that pre-existing hole that we had for the one we cut out with the Cricut machine. I'm going to take my scissors and I'm just going to carefully poke a hole through. Now I'm going to take that main piece. So I have both pieces on this one. This is the back and this is the front. And I'm going to take my last piece and place that on the back of this one. Like so. And then you want to grab that tool. This right here. and you want to press on it while they connected together. I'm going to take this tool and just press down firmly, and it locks both of those pieces in together. Okay, got it. All right, so this is how they turned out. And you could just add some ribbon or streamer. Okay, and this is how this one turned out. So that's those. And the last one that I did create off camera was this one. And this is some fabric ribbon. Of course, I wanted this to look like more like a present, and I just put some corkboard on the back of it. Really simple, easy. You probably already have these materials at home. If not, you just go out and get some. But I purchased these corkboard squares for some coasters, and I got them off of Amazon. I believe they came in 50 pack. I want to say I also linked that as well. Now, for the last finishing touches, I did add like a sticker paper here. As you can see for this one, I just put to the Henfield family. For this one here in particular, I just put to and from, just to give you all a different variation. Oh, for this one, I didn't put anything. Okay. Just to give you all some ideas. And for this one, I just put with love. And this one, I just put from. Let's see if I put anything. And I didn't put anything on this one. Okay. But yeah, you all get the idea. You get the picture. So I just cut up some little sticker papers and just made them into like some rectangle shape. And I just placed them on the back. But that is it for this video. So if y'all have any questions, make sure you link them down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you love the video, make sure you share it with your friends. And of course, we have plenty more videos coming soon. So stay tuned and make sure you have your notification bell on. Bye.